Welcome. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the large size Banker's Box SmoothMove moving box or storage box. And just for comparison, this is what it looks like next to a normal size Banker's Box. So it's pretty significantly bigger. I've also got the classic SmoothMove, and they're actually not the same size. The Prime one is larger, slightly. But we're going to get into the details. The biggest difference is the top. So it doesn't have a normal lid. Instead, it folds together and then has these things that go in. And you can see on the bottom, it's got the quick unfolding technology, which I've covered in the when you get into the medium duty and the heavy duty Banker's boxes, they have this quick unfold thing where it's they're easier to go from flat to box than the basic duty or SmoothMove Classic, which I just showed you. So by the way, I've got a spreadsheet. Free spreadsheet on my website is linked down below in the description, and it gives you a price comparison, a measurement comparison. So I used a calipers and a measuring tape to do the internal and external dimensions of, it's got to be over a dozen different types of Banker's boxes, staples, and Amazon Basics competitors. So pricing, price per box when you get a bundle, links to Amazon, dimensions, just all the information you could need to comparison shop or just find exactly what you're looking for and get those exact dimensions that are not available anywhere else. So I'm the only one on the internet who's ever actually measured these things, and they're part of a larger organization system and course that I sell. You can email me at support@timothykenny.com, and me or one of my reps will get back to you on the latest information. There's sort of a basic level, and then there's also some very advanced stuff. So depending on your situation, if you've got an office, a home office, multiple homes, storing stuff in the attic, in the basement, a storage unit, if you've got a more complex situation and you want to have a system that keeps track of everything, this is by far the best one out there, and it creates a Dewey Decimal Library of Congress classification like taxonomical system for giving an address to each box and kind of a central place to keep track of everything. So the links to all that stuff will be down below, or you can email support@timothykenny.com. So this is the side. We'll open it up now. So this bottom thing doesn't want to really stay down there. It keeps popping back up, but it's basically 1 ply on the sides, 2 ply on the ends, and then these don't form a second ply. They just form the top. So you just put your stuff inside, you close the end doors, and the reason why they have this L shape is because when you unfold it from flat, these pieces are actually connected. And so you break them apart and then they become the end pieces. Then you do this. And then finally, this folds down and goes in. We'll do the same on the other side. So that's the large one. I think I showed you the size comparison. That's the regular Banker's box. This is the medium size classic SmoothMove. Pretty significant. This is the medium size SmoothMove next to it. So I think we'll leave it there for now. I have a playlist down below where I've reviewed a bunch of these different sizes of Banker's boxes and also some of the competitors. So you can check that out. I've also got other product reviews, book reviews, stuff on productivity, time management, planning, accelerated learning, organizing, both in terms of physical stuff, physical files and folders, but also digital, your cloud drive, your Dropbox, Google Drive, all your documents, your email, all that kind of stuff. But my system is really the only one out there that covers both how to organize all your physical everyday objects, supplies, electronics, etc., and then also all your information, both in its physical and digital form, in one single comprehensive system. So that's what's special about it. You can learn more from the link down below, or just email me at support@timothykenny.com and we'll get back to you with more information. So leave it there. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions, any comments, other products you'd like me to review. And I'll see you next video.